just hit the tripod with that.
The mustang kids are out, rolling over hills and the roundabouts. White line motorcade, sweeter than your baby face.
Hey guys, it's Virginia. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting because it is my first dorm room haul. I am going to be a freshman at Western Kentucky University and I move in on August 20th, so I'm really excited. Right now I'm in my sister's room because that's where I've been keeping all my stuff because she isn't living here right now. So I just kind of have had it like bunched in a corner waiting to film this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So instead of doing it store by store, I decided to do it like category by category because that it just makes more sense in my head. So I'm gonna start with bedding. The first thing I have I actually didn't buy. They are just some twin extra long sheets. We had a white set and this like gray set already because I have two siblings that have either gone through or are going through college right now, so we just already had this. From Target I got these two Room Essentials mattress toppers and they are 1.5 inches each. So I got two and then together they'll be like about 3 inches. And these were already like only $12 and then they were 10% off, so I got them both for $10.80, which is a pretty good price if you ask me. Hopefully they'll be nice. I'm a pretty deep sleeper, so I think I'll be fine. Then from Bargain Hunt I got this Room Essentials mattress pad, mattress protector, whatever it is. And I got this for $6. I actually had bought the same exact thing from Target with those, and then we went to Bargain Hunt. My friend found the same exact thing, so we took the other one back and bought this, and it was only $6 compared to $10.80, which, I mean, is not that much of a difference, but like $4 you can buy something with that. So got this. Speaking of buying something with $4, this pillow from Target was $4. This is also Room Essentials. I found out after I bought it that we have like unused pillows at my house. But you know what, I made a big girl purchase. Be proud of me. And the last thing I have for bedding is my comforter. So I got this twin extra long comforter from Bed Bath & Beyond and it was $15. And it's like not as soft as the comforter I have at home, but it'll do, and it was a good price. It's relatively plain, which is exactly what I wanted. It's like a periwinkle gray color, which I wanted a periwinkle comforter that's really specific, but that's my favorite color, and so I just looked it up and I found this one online and it said it was periwinkle. It's a bit grayer in person, but it'll totally do for my dorm, and I have like blue is my color, so I'll just have so much blue in my dorm. So even if this doesn't look blue like right off the bat, if it's next to other blue it may look bluer or it may look less blue. I don't know, but it was only $15, so that's a pretty good price. It didn't actually come with a sham, but my idea is I'll just have throw pillows rather than have a pillow with a sham, if that makes sense. So that's all I have for bedding. So next is school supplies, and I actually didn't buy any literal school supplies because we already have stuff for that, but I did get this binder from Home Goods and it is like so cute. It goes from August of this year to the end of 2020. And it was only $8. It has different maps on it and gold detailing, and it also has like a little band to keep it closed. On the back cover it also has a pocket and more maps. I really love this because it has a lot of room, but it's blank, so there's not like any super weird lines or anything. And it has like top priorities for the week, doodle it out, small victories, like different notes for the week. The months are also nice and big. Oh, and they're one of my favorite colors, which is like blue, aqua, teal. And then at the end, they just have these fun notes pages that have like get it done, make a list, thoughts, just like random little things. And I just really love this planner, and it was only $8 and it'll last me until the end of next calendar year, so I am really excited about this. Then I got this desk lamp from Walmart. This was $15 and it's just white. It has 2 outlets inside of it, and it has space to put like your pencils and stuff, and then it also has these cool, they're not even compartments, they're just kind of pieces of plastic, and then you can use that to like stand your phone up so you can, instead of doing homework, watch YouTube, which some of you may be doing now. Then as a graduation gift from one of my aunts, I actually got this like box of school supplies. So she just gave me this bin, and inside it I got some whiteout, a mini stapler and 1,000 staples, sticky notes, this cool like acrylic box set of 100 push pins, 100 paper clips, and 32 binder clips, and they're like all in rainbow colors, and the binder clips have smiley faces on it, so I'm really excited about this, and I'm also set for all these things. Some Sharpie highlighters, just some ballpoint pens, a 5-subject notebook, and this is literally my favorite color. I love it so much. And these have like pockets with the dividers. She also got me 3 like polyester folders, just this aqua one, a pink one, and a purple one. She got me a plain white 1-inch binder, and then also this blue accordion folder. And the last thing was just printer paper. So thank you to my aunt for all my school supplies. So next, with bathroom stuff, I got this really nice set of towels from some of our friends at church as a graduation present, and they are blue, my favorite color, and they're like just super nice and soft. So there's 2 body towels and 2 hand towels. Oh, and 2 face towels. I did not realize that, which is really nice. Very grateful for these. And then from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got this 3 set of loofahs for $6, and then these Stereopods for $5, and these are just like toothbrush covers. Moving on to kitchen stuff, we already had this Brita water filter, but my mom just picked up some of the filters. I think these are from Aldi. I think it was maybe $20, but she seemed to think that this was a good deal, so probably was, because I have no idea about the pricing of Britas, but so this will be good to have water. For my birthday, my friend Celeste also got me a toaster, so thank you so much, Celeste. I specifically asked for this before I knew that you're not allowed to have them in the dorms, so will I take it? I want to, but I also don't want to set the fire alarm off, even though I don't think I would, but I actually like use a toaster almost every single day for breakfast food, so we'll have to see. Next, I got some dishes from Target. I got this from the Target dollar section. This was $3, and for some reason it says enjoy every moment on a soup bowl. I mean, you don't need inspirational quotes on a soup bowl, but it was $3, and it has a lid. It has like a thing that does that, I guess, to release steam. And it's dishwasher microwavable safe. So I thought that this would be good to have. Just like everyone else, hopped on the like 79-cent things deal. So I got a gray bowl, I got a mint bowl, and I got a pink bowl. And I got the smaller bowls because the other ones were ridiculously huge. Then I just got 2 pink plates. I probably would have gotten the gray plates, but they only had the pink. I also have some like laundry, closet, miscellaneous storage items. So the first one of those is just this mesh laundry hamper. This I got from Walmart for like less than $2. Hopefully it'll last me. My sister has one of these and she said that it worked for her. Also from Walmart, I got 30 of the non-slip velvet hangers for $10, which is a really good deal. I already use these in my closet. I also just always need like more of these. So I got some more. This was a really good price. Yeah, Walmart coming in clutch. The next thing I got is really heavy. I mean, it's not that heavy, but it's kind of heavy. And it is from Bed Bath & Beyond. This was $20 and it's like wire shelves. So I already opened it because my little like math brain was figuring out the best way I could do this. But basically you just get these grid squares, which if I don't end up using all of them, you can use this for room decor because apparently it's really popular to have like chicken wire grids on your wall now. But it just has these and like connectors and you can make it into cubes. So it's supposed to form 4, but if you don't put these pieces on the back of the cubes, you can make it with 6. It's not as structurally sound, I'm sure, but if you need more space, so it'll just depend on how much space I need, what I do with these. So I may put it like under my bed, I may put it as like a bedside table if that makes sense. So got this. Next I got this 6-inch fan. This was from Bargain Hunt and it was only $9. And it has like a base that you can put on it, and it also has a clip so you can like clip it on the side of your bed, clip it on your desk. I am generally a very cold person, but everyone says get a fan, so I got one. Next I got an umbrella, and you guys, this one is so fancy. It's from Vera Bradley. My mom and I were actually in the mall and they were having a sale because they always have sales, but it's always like so expensive in there. So this was a $40 umbrella. And we got it for $10. And funny story, when we bought this, it was actually pouring down rain. Like the power went out in the mall for a second, and then we got kicked out of the store we were in because they were on the backup generator, and it wasn't safe apparently. But yeah, I got this just pretty blue print I actually might have like a wallet that's the same exact print. I don't know, it's blue also. What did I say about blue earlier? Then for my birthday, I actually got a toolkit. This is from Aldi. It comes with a lot of things. If you've been watching my thrift flip videos, I've just been like taking my parents' tools and using them because I don't have any of my own. So now I'll have this at school, which will be nice. So thanks, Mom and Dad. So the next thing I got is very large, but the price was not large, and it is this TV. I think that this is 23 inches. I don't remember. But I got this for $5 at a garage sale. If you watched my thrift haul like a month ago, I also had that in there. My parents are telling me I'm not going to use this, but my friends in college are telling me that I will. I'm just going to take it, and if I don't end up using it or don't want it, I can always take it back home because I'm not that far. But I was like, $5 for a TV? Heck yeah. And then here's the remote. And then a few other like things I got were these Uno decks. I also got these from the garage sale, and they were 50 cents each. So I was playing Uno with my friends last night, and we went to Walmart and bought new like sets of Uno, and they were multiple dollars each, but I got both of these for $1. And the last category I have is decorations. So I don't have a theme or like a color scheme for my room because I can't handle having like two matchy things. Like it just doesn't feel homey because it feels like a display. So I just have kind of random miscellaneous things that I'm gonna put in my room somewhere. First, I actually have this letterboard that my friend Sylvan gave me, and then here are the letters, and there's just a random thing on here. I don't know where it's from, but I'm excited to display like super stupid messages on here, like bro's mad. My friend Sylvan gave me that for my birthday. She also gave me these fairy lights, and they are also by Room Essentials, and they have like rainbow colors, and then they also have clear clips with like rainbow sparkles and confetti inside them. And I'm just a very colorful person. If you've seen my room at all, you know that. So these are so cute, and I'm really excited about it. These are also some more like fairy lights that I have. These I got for Christmas 2 years in a row, and I have not used them. This one is just plain fairy lights, and then this one is plain fairy lights, except it's gold, and there are clips that also have gold like sparkles in them. So that's really fun. Great ways to display pictures. And then I have a few posters. So the first one was from a Mowgli's concert that I went to. And I got this poster for $10, and I got it signed, so that's fun. It's just like, it's my vibe. Like, it's colorful, it's fun, it's like about inclusion. It's just so cute. And now I have a dorm decoration from it. The next thing is another poster, and it's actually a little bit nerdy, but it's the We Love You 3000 poster from the Avengers Endgame release with 7 minutes of unseen before footage. And my brother accidentally referred to it as Avengers Extend Game once, and it made me laugh really hard, but he didn't actually mean to say that. So is he a genius? Is he dumb? I don't know. The last poster I got was this really cool poster. I got it from like an antique shop. It's not actually an antique shop, it just has some antiques and then some like rustic looking things. It was $8, but it was on sale so I got it for like $7 instead. It is this like solar system poster. It's pretty big. And it's not actually a solar system poster, it is like relative size of things. So it does have the solar system here, but then it has like the sizes of the planets, and then it has like the distance from the sun of the planets at the bottom. And I just saw this, I thought it was so cool, and I was like one of the 3 members in our astronomy club at my high school this past year, and we never did anything because people never came, but I like space and I like stars, so I got this. So that's all I got in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe for more, because I do have 2 more dorm haul videos coming up, and like DIY dorm videos, like all the exciting things. If you're also going to college, comment where you're going, when you move in, your year, all the things. I'm really curious to see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm glad if you did. That's all I have to say, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! From the Taller Dark. It has like map on it. It has map on it. Ow. Ow. I keep hitting myself in the face with these school supplies. Oh my gosh, my exposure will not calm down.